Everyone, I hope you guys are doing well, and today we are trying to upload our invoice generator project on Vercel. And till now I have created my account, connected my GitHub, and now we are deploying the project on the Vercel, and I'm doing it for the first time. But the part which you haven't seen in the video, like how you will sign up or how you will choose the GitHub, for that thing I will add or upload in the entire step on my blog as well. So definitely you don't have to worry about those part. Okay, so right now I'm going to deploy this. Let's take the screenshot as well, so that I can show the same photos on my blog, right? So that other so that it will be helpful for other as well. Okay, let's save it now. Now let's click on deploy and see what will happen, and check this output environment variables. Okay, so basically this invoice generator is a very simple project built on HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and this project is also available open source. So like if you want to use, you can use this, or you guys can also use this invoice generator by visiting this URL freeinvoicegenerator.codehunger.in, and from here you can generate n number of invoices in your system. That will be totally free, and it's also save your invoices in your browser so that you can also manage and maintain all your invoices. And it has a lot many options like the colors and the templates. Like it has so many good features as well. See, so it's a pretty good thing. Okay, now let's back to the our deployment part. So let me click on deploy. Okay, now it is getting deploying. Okay, you can see the build logs here. Deployment, instant preview, deployment. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard and just let me take the screenshot as well. So here they have given the option for the add a new domain and enable speed insights. So let's skip these things and just jump to the dashboard. Okay, we have on the dashboard, and I think they have created one URL as well from their side. And I think if we open this URL in new tab, what will happen? Okay, so here is a domain. Just click it and let's open it in new browser. Oh wow, it's get deployed. You can see that, like, I think it's just took some minutes to deploy the project, and it deployed and it working. Wow, it's really simple and easy, I think. Wow, and it's working also very smooth and fast. That's really interesting, and I think that it will be good for the like for the hobbies project, because definitely you don't have to pay anything for the hosting and the other part, because they have given the domain from them side, and the domain is also looks pretty good. Let's see that what's all they have given in my dashboard. So in the dashboard we can see build logs, deployment summary, assigning custom domain. Okay, we don't have to do this right now, and this is our git URL. Okay, visit and redeploy, copy URL, delete, share, web analytics. Okay, so they have given these things as well, that how much CPU and the memory uses for your website, and then the H function are now powered by Vercel functionality soon on the Vercel. I don't know what is the use of this one. I have to research for it. Then they have the external APIs, middleware, runtime caches, sandboxes, edge request, Okay, fast data transfer, image optimizations, ISR. I think they have given much more thing as per the front-end technologies. Like for example, if we deploy any application using Angular, Vue, or React.js, then I think it will be more useful. My project is definitely, as I said, it's a very simple and lightweight application. It doesn't require any database or any complex kind of architecture to run this. It can be done on any free hosting or a basic hosting, because definitely it don't needs any command to run or anything. Just you just have to clone the project and it will start running anywhere. Okay. So I hope you love this video on how to deploy a basic project on Vercel. I think, and you get the idea, and you also see the simplicity of the Vercel. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and if you want the more videos like that, please subscribe my channel, and definitely like the video as well if you like it. Till then, bye bye, and we will meet in next video again. Thank you so much for watching.